If you've been watching my videos recently, you know that I came up with a new handle for these W116 and W123 seats, both the side handle here and the front handle. We decided to come up with a more robust and easier to grip handle that you can install when these break. So we've gone into full production on these, and we're selling them as a set of 4. So you get 2 front seat pulls. You can see how robust. We even added reinforcement right in here, and 2 for the side seats. I've said before, if you're going to replace one of these, replace all 4, because even if one of them's not broken, we've had them break just without any warning at all. And I got a couple of comments and emails saying, well, Ken, how strong are these? How do you know they won't break when you pull on them like the originals? So we went to test these, and you're going to get a kick how we tested to make sure these wouldn't break when you're pulling on them by hand. So I think you can see from those scenes of testing these handles, you shouldn't have to worry about these breaking when you install them in your own old Mercedes-Benz.